Here is something nobody tells you when you start searching for remote jobs. Most of the listings you find will never work for you. Not because you're not qualified, but because they're built around phone calls, video check-ins, and availability windows that assume you're already inside the system. If you are just starting out, that is a wall. And most job boards aren't going to help you find the door around it. So that's what this video is. 5 remote jobs you can start with no experience and no phone calls. Jobs most beginners completely overlook because they don't even know they exist. I'll show you what each one actually involves, what they pay, and where to apply so you can start this week. And stay with me, because job number 4 has the lowest competition of anything I've covered on this channel. And most people don't even realize it's a real job. And every single one of them is genuinely phone-free. Let me show you what I mean. Before we get into the list, let me be really clear. Every job I'm covering today is genuinely no phone. No talking, no camera, no live meetings. And none of them require experience or a degree. If you're organized, reliable, and willing to learn, you qualify. Let's go. Job number 1. The first job is remote transcriptionist. You listen to audio recordings and type out exactly what's being said. No calls, no camera, fully flexible hours. Most platforms expect high accuracy, and a lot of the work now involves editing AI-generated transcripts. So if you're detail-oriented, this is a strong fit. The main platforms are Rev, GoTranscript, and Scribby, though Rev currently has a waitlist. The 3 platforms to look at are Rev, GoTranscript, and Scribby. GoTranscript and Scribby generally have lower barriers to entry than Rev and are widely available internationally. Though like any platform, availability can vary by region and demand. Apply to all 3 on the same day rather than waiting for one to respond. Pay on Rev runs from 30 cents to over $1 per audio minute, which works out to roughly $13 to $25 an hour for an average typist. No degree, no experience, no interview. And one thing worth knowing, most platforms require 98% accuracy, so the bar is high, but if you're detail-oriented, it's very achievable. The typing speed most people worry about? Rev asks for 70 words per minute. The average person types 60 to 80 already. You're likely already there, or 1 week of free practice away from it. Transcription is a great way in. The next job uses a completely different skill set, but pays noticeably higher and is almost entirely overlooked by beginners. Job number 2. Job 2 is online proofreader, also called copy editor at some companies. This is one of the most underrated beginner-friendly remote jobs. You do not need formal English qualifications. If you naturally notice grammar mistakes or typos other people miss, that is already a valuable skill. The work involves reviewing documents and website content to fix spelling, grammar, formatting, and unclear wording. You are catching what the writer missed. The platform I'd start with is proofreadingservices.com. They have open applications, they hire internationally, and the entry process is a short editorial test. No paid courses, no upfront costs, no barriers. Scribendi is another strong option. Both are legitimate, well-established companies. On global availability, proofreadingservices.com hires internationally with no location restrictions. Scribendi also accepts international applicants. If you're anywhere in the world, both are very much worth applying to. And here is why this role stands out for detail-oriented beginners. Proofreading Services pays editors between $19 and $46 an hour, depending on the project and turnaround time. Upwork proofreaders with strong reviews can also earn around $30 an hour. Most beginners assume you need an English degree for this job, but you do not. What matters most is accuracy, consistency, and attention to detail. Skills that experienced editors say are far more important than certificates. Work that rewards the way your brain already works. If reading and writing isn't your strongest area, The next two jobs are built around a completely different type of skill, and they both have very high demand with almost no competition. Job number 3. Job 3 is Remote Data Entry Specialist. Most people search for data entry jobs and get overwhelmed by generic listings. But experienced remote workers focus on medical, legal, and insurance data entry because these roles often pay better and have less competition. The work involves updating records and processing information. You do not need special qualifications, just accuracy, attention to detail, and the ability to follow instructions. Adding a specific field, medical, legal, or insurance, to your search immediately filters out the crowded, lower-paying general listings and puts you in front of a much smaller, better-paid applicant pool. On global availability, ClickWorker operates in over 100 countries and is one of the most internationally accessible data entry platforms available. Axion Data Services primarily hires in the US. For viewers outside the US, ClickWorker and Indeed Local are your strongest starting points. Pay for general data entry runs $13 to $20 an hour. Medical or legal niche roles typically come in at $16 to $22 for the same type of work, just in a more specific field. Now, Job 4. This is the one I teased at the start, the one most people have genuinely never considered. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we're about halfway through, and job number 4 is the one I actually think has the most hidden potential for beginners right now. It's not on most lists. Most people don't even know it's a job. Let me show you what it is. Job number 4. Here it is. Online Research Assistant. Businesses often need help finding information like competitor pricing, supplier contacts, company lists, or industry news. Your job is to find the information, organize it clearly in a spreadsheet or document, and send it back. If you can use Google effectively and present information clearly, you already have the core skill for this role. The platforms I'd recommend starting with are Upwork and Respondent.io. On Upwork, search Online Researcher Remote Entry Level. It's the largest freelance marketplace and has consistent demand for this role, with pay running $14 to $25 an hour. Respondent.io is worth applying to separately, but it works differently. You're not hired as a regular worker. You apply to individual paid research studies, and when you're selected, studies pay $50 to $200 per session. You won't qualify for every study, and it's not a daily income source. But when you do get selected, the pay is significantly higher than most beginner remote work. One honest note on international access. Respondent.io is open internationally, but most studies target US residents, so availability varies depending on where you are. And here's the part most people don't realize. The skill this job is testing is not specialist knowledge. It's organized thinking and the ability to find and present information clearly. If you use Google every day and you're naturally organized, you are not starting from zero. The kind of work that rewards curiosity and organization in equal measure. The fifth and final job is one that specifically rewards people who are already spending time on social media every day, and most of you are. Job number 5. Job 5 is Social Media Scheduler, sometimes called the Junior Social Media Manager. Small businesses and creators need someone to schedule posts on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Pinterest, using tools like Buffer or Later. They provide the content. You organize and schedule it in advance. No live meetings or constant calls. If you already use social media regularly, you already have the core skills this role requires. The main scheduling tools you'll use are Buffer and Later. Both have free tiers, so you can learn them before you've even landed the job. On global availability, social media scheduling is one of the most location-independent roles on this list. Small businesses and content creators hire schedulers from anywhere in the world. LinkedIn, Remote.co, and Upwork all have consistent listings. Your location is not a barrier for this role. Pay runs $16 to $28 an hour depending on the client and the volume of content. One small tip that makes a big difference. Create a free buffer account and schedule a week of posts, even personal or practice posts. Then screenshot the scheduling queue and put it in your application as a work sample. It immediately shows a hiring manager you already know how to use the tool. Most applicants don't do this. You should. 5 jobs, 5 completely different skill sets, all of them no phone, all of them beginner accessible. Before the recap, 3 things. These will put you ahead of most other beginner applicants for any of these 5 jobs. First, I work well independently and thrive in asynchronous environments. That signals you understand remote work. Second, I have a dedicated, quiet workspace with reliable internet. That removes a major concern. Third, I'm building my remote work portfolio and highly motivated to deliver strong results. That reframes no experience positively. Even one can help you stand out. Here's a quick look at everything we covered. 5 jobs, all phone-free, all beginner accessible, all hiring right now in 2026. 5 real jobs, real companies, real pay. And none of them will ever ask you to pick up a phone. If you're not sure which one is right for you, that's completely fine. Have a look at 2 or 3 that feel closest to what you already know how to do. You don't need to pick the perfect one. You just need to pick one and start. If you found this useful, here's what to do next. If this gave you something useful, subscribe. I post practical remote job leads and career tips every single week, specifically for people who are starting from scratch or making a career change. No fluff, no scams, just real information you can act on. And drop a comment. Tell me which of these 5 jobs you're going to look into first. If you're not sure where to start, tell me a bit about yourself and I will point you in the right direction. I'll see you in the next one.